म्हापशेच्या सेंट झेवियर कॉलेजींत अखिल भारतीय विद्यार्थी परिशदेन घातिल्ल्या बोवाळाचो NSUI खर निषेध केला। कॉलेजींत बोवाळ घालपी विद्यार्थ्या आड पुलिशेन कागाळ करतले अशें NSUIचो मुखेली नौशाद चौधरी सांगता। सत्तेंत आशिल्ल्या भाजपा सरकाराच्या आशिर्वादानूच हो प्रकार जाल्ल्याचो आरोप ह्या वेळार नौशादान केला।
The cowardly act done by the RSS ABVP yesterday in St. Xavier's College. NSUI Goa strongly condemned this act done by ABVP Goa. We fully support, as NSUI Goa, we fully support the management of handling the issue and staying united in fighting this hatred ideology in campus. And we also appeal all the ex-students of Xavierite and the present student of Xavier to stay united like this only and throw out this hatred ideology of ABVP of RSS from the campus. And this is done with the blessings of the ruling government, especially the Chief Minister Pramod Sawant will file an FIR tomorrow itself against these leaders, against this ABVP RSS students wing tomorrow immediately. And I also want to tell the Chief Minister Pramod Sawant and Vice Chancellor that you all are not above law. Law is supreme. Law is supreme. तुम्ही लॉ हातीन घेऊन तुमकां तुमची गव्हर्मेंट सरकार वयर आहा सकयल आमकां जाय ते करूंक शकना. And these people, ABVPचे लोक फुडफुडटा प्रमोद सावंतच्या नांवार. सो आमी हेंचेर एक्शन घेतले.